Welcome. If you want to add events to calendar in your NOKIA 7.2, for the first you have to open calendar. If you are opening it for the first time, just click on this arrow 2 times, then click on this button. Right now you have to click on this switcher, and you can choose between the goal, reminder and the event. So we are going of course for the event, and right now we have to enter the title. We can set up other things like location, we can change color, we can add notifications, also make the description. And if you set everything, just click on the save button in the right upper corner. And as you can see, here is our event. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments, and of course subscribe to our channel.